And what is up, you guys? It's me, Old School Mods, aka OriginalOSM, aka your friendly modder. And today, or in this video, of course, I will be showing you my account recovery services. Now, what recovery is, it's like your stats modded on a game to where you want them to be modded to, like your level, your XP, unlock guns and whatnot. Alright. Now I'm just gonna show you one game, and that's this game, of course, GTA 5. And here's my recovery menu. I don't know if you can see the words clearly, but I'll go through it and everything. Alright, but now and just to show you this for proof, because I know some people have a difficult time, you know, they're getting what's the word called? Damn it. What? They're getting you know, tricked out of their money. You know, they're getting, you know what I mean. But anyways, this is, yeah, they're getting scammed. What am I thinking? No, but yeah. And so this is to prove to you that you guys that I do not scam people, and my prices are, you know, cheap and whatnot. But and not just this game of GTA 5, but the games that I can do recoveries on right now, and that I know of is so far is, you know, GTA 5, Black Ops 1, Black Ops 2, Modern Warfare 3, you know, this game, COD Ghost, and Advanced Warfare. Now, if you want any of those, just, you know, just hit me up. All my information or contact information will be in the description below. But otherwise, let's get to this now. Menu settings. We don't need that. Teleportation. Well, I guess we can go, because we'll need to go to the clothes store here in a little bit. Now, change outfits. You got police officer, pilot, ballers member, thug, special ops, Santa, elf, snowman, trash man, invisible. Those were all for the male, but the female, of course, are Santa, elf, invisible, parachute, or prostitute. But I'll stick with this guy, I guess. And so those are all the outfits. But and you know, of course, you have you know, 10 slots or whatever. I just, you know, just save one, or I can customize your own if you want me to. That would make a difference between price. And then what else I can do is, you know, edit your garage. I have 3 garages. Dang it, so I have to go back. Alright, hold up. I'm gonna go. I guess I'll do that at the end. Alright, now edit vehicle, edit stats. Now, kills. I can make your own customizable kills or deaths. So 8,400 or 8,354. Alright, now that's my kills. Deaths, I guess I'll do 3,567. Now that stays. Now that saves as your unique. Also, yeah, that's those 2 saves, you know. But if you want your custom KD, you have to like pick out the kills and deaths. But anyways, there's modded roles plus more modded roles, and then and then snacks, armor, fireworks, bypass vehicle cell timer, redesign character prompt, clear reports, and fast run. And I'll show you that. Fireworks, it's all that, and then parachute, body armor, accessories, and yeah, cash. Now I can change your wins and losses. So I'm just gonna, I can pick how many your wins and the wins and losses. Just gonna bump up all my wins to here. Time is character, longest game, time wanted, time driving, time walking, and time underwater. Change unlocks, unlock 100% skill, all Los Santos custom mods, all tattoos, all weapons, all camos, all hairstyles, unlock exclusive t-shirts, all DLC clothes, and unlock all ice vehicles. Now they would pop up above the minimap, but since I already did that, you know, it won't show. And then I can add money or I can subtract money. But in this case, I want to add money. Oh, I actually like.
What are you doing there?
Just gonna spam that. Alright. Damn, I subtracted like all of my money. Well, whatever. And then your level. I can pick your own. I can do rank 1, 25, 50, 75, 100, 120, 250, 500, 666, 1000, 130, 1337, 2000, 4000, or 8000. Or I can pick you a custom rank between 1 through 8000. Now I'm just going to choose 999. So I'm just going to do that. I'm going to find a new session. Now let's wait till that loads up. Now all my recoveries, they're gonna be, we can make it reasonable, but like no matter what, they're gonna be below $20. Like, and I take PSN, PayPal. I'm not sure about Amazon yet, but you know we'll get that sorted out. And then yeah, but let me show you my rank real quick. And I also have an RTM tool on my computer which does more, but you know we can't see that right now. I'll maybe do that in a little bit, or another short video, or short video maybe today. Wow, and we couldn't find a game. Hate when that happens. And like I said, yeah. But hopefully, now this is a little bit side off, but hopefully I'll be able to get an Elgato soon. Just have to save my money, or you know, whatever. But like I said, let's do this real quick. Well, yeah, if I get an Elgato, more videos, more fun time, whatnot. But I usually stick to GTA 5 and Black Ops 2, and yeah. All right, so let's do that again. Now I think I'm just recovering from a cold, so I mean I don't know if you can tell my voice, but yeah. All right, hold up, let's load up. I mean, yeah, and I guess if you want more proof for other different games, or if you want me to show recoveries on different games before you purchase them, just let me know too. Just put that in the comments or in the description below. And I guess I made this official, but if once I reach 100 subscribers, I will do that. I will be giving away, you know, 5 pre-modded accounts, or 5 pre-modded account recoveries, or like, yeah, it will be like I said, Advanced Warfare, Call of Duty Ghosts, GTA 5, Modern Warfare 3, Black Ops 1, and Black Ops 2. They will all have, you know, the highest levels or whatever. And if you win, I can also, before I make the account, I will also have the account name that you want, so that'll be good. And as you can see, oh, since that's blurry, hold up. Since that is blurry, let me go to my stats. Oh no, my players. Rank 999. That's still kind of horrible, but oh well. And since we're here, I'll do the garage before I forget about that, because I don't really forget stuff. And also, if you want to play GTA Online with me or Black Ops 2, like I said, on my account all the account stuff will be in the description below. Now, alright, for the vehicle or edit garage, you know, fully tuned all vehicles. They're fully tuned out. Edit all colors, primary, red, yellow, white. Or I can, yeah, you get the point. But what else can I do? Change our license plate. Oh, old school mods. As you can see down below, OSM. Edit vehicle, edit garage, and I also can add whatever car you want. Or well, besides the besides like the DLC cars, I'll just show you guys a couple of cars real quick. And also kind of a pre-reminder, like as you can see right here in the back, how it's like that. What else can I do? Oh. You got different sections, like trucks, SUVs, certain type of truck or car you want. Well, that was kind of military. Oh, I thought that was gonna spawn. Let's see, Hydra. Can I call it a Hydra? Nope. Insurgent. Rhino, the tank. Technical, but emergency ambulance. Now I honestly don't even know if these cars will stay in here, but I'm pretty sure they will, since they're modded into your garage, so they're your vehicle and they're not DLC. So I'm pretty sure they'll save. Oh fuck! I mean not. You didn't hear that. The Benson. Utility. Oh, air tug. Caddy. All these stuff. All these cars right here. Motorcycles. Who cares about you? Bikes. Planes. We're not gonna spawn on planes or nor helicopters. The boats won't spawn here. Snow. Don't have a snowy vehicle. Show the people that you know you have a car like this. It's snow on it. You got the junkers, or if you want a specific, like I said, specific vehicle or a vehicle that you can usually find in the game, like the Voodoo and the Sultan and Phoenix or something like that. But I don't know. Just if you want any of this stuff, just let me know. Like I said, for like the third time, fourth time, all my contact info will be in the description below, and also be sure to like, subscribe, share, rate, comment, whatever, to best help you out. And if you want those accounts, or and like just having fun. But like I said, once I get this Elgato, I'm gonna be, or hopefully if I get it, hopefully we're gonna upload videos daily, which I already did. For like the past 2-3 days, I've uploaded a video. But that's really about it. Alright, peace.